Wala po nagpiksa mag-game na niya. Tasan.
Ayan, nalpasan. Nagmaya, ading may samampay akanta. Idol, please, from Virgie Pimentel. Nice voice ko nata kanya na. So, talagang napintas apo, no? Agdo mga timek, ti mga ganyo. That's why, nangikabil kami ti portion wherein you can hear different voices from Isabela United Artists. Actually, we are fast growing. Iti miyembros min apo. Inika madagijay those who do not deserve. Gitay mang pirpir di kanyami. So, hindi na babati man no?
Yay.
Ito sa Bella United Artists.
Ado pa eh.
Okay, at this moment, we are... Kitantaman naman natin members. Ayan. Ado. Okay, so we have ni Kabsat Alex Reyes, ni Marnie Reyes, Flores Band, of course, ni Jerome Kaya, Joslean
Bulan, Gia Pastor, Jones Reales, ate Banji, Catherine Gutierrez, Sadoral, Marvin Agne, Melis Kinara.
Yes, and Mylene Cariaso Gamboa, Miles de Guzman, Rina Alberva Valencia, Riza Cadiz, Ruby, ayan, FG.
Ruby Calamay,
yes,
Zoilo Franco, Teresa Gamia, Winnie Velasco.
Yes, kita pa lang po, kita active members. So, we are asking for those kaya nati sumali apo sa Bella United Artist to be in one goal apo. Datay papintasin tayo ti image iti musicians, iti Isabela. Not only Ilocano songs, but mabalinting variety. Yan. So in the future, mabalinting variety show. Of course, together with the 4-decade duo. And ano nakita dito mga pangablaw tapalong?
Nagmayat man panagkankantana ta guest singer yo from Mama Alice Lazaro.
Yes, thank you.
Pa-shoutout sir from Aris Punsalan. Ano pa ba? Palapalakpak dato LDR. Ano na LDR.
Long
Hello,
distance.
happy watching Mot from Ate Ella Banadero. Aja lang.
Okay, ngayon may sabi nga sunat na balong. Para kasi kita nahilo kumilong may di GSM.
Blue. Malagip mo pa'y biyag ko, di damot at nagamam mo. Di na magmuti number ko, iniawid nakjay balayo. Kasla di maungkot, dagiti nga ragsaktang, ngem apay na maliw ka. Ket siyapin ka kinauma. Iti kaawan mo, nagsakit to'y pusong ko. Ika na sursurok, agin GSM Blue. Tanu mabarte ka, inak metten iyuldag, ngem no mausawa na. Tasla kala nagkarabaw kaniya. Aniya narasat kita mo tataag ka edda. Nagpatpat nag-uray basit awan turog ta. Di mo pinanunot, tinairot nga arakot ta, insukat na ti sa bali. Ket siyak tayin kain waksin. Iti kaawan mo, nagsakit to'y pusong ko. Ita na sursurok, agin GSM Blue. Tanu mabarte kag inak metten iyuldag, ngem no mausawa na. Kasla kala nakarabaw kaniya. Ano yan na nagsakta, di damot at akaedda. Gaputi mas na, uken anay sawang ta. Di mo pinanunod, tinairot nga arakot ta. Insukat nagti sa bali. Etsyak tayin kain waksin. Arya na ragsakta, di damot at akaedda. Nagpatpat naguray basit, awan durog ta. Di mo pinanunod, tinairot nga arakot ka. Insukat nakti sa bali. Etsyak tayin kain waksin. Di mo pinanunod, tinairot nga arakot ka. Insukat nakti sa bali. Etsyak tayin kain waksin.
And special request ni ating Ella Tibanadero. Kuya, pa-request man na tayo, stuck on you. Thanks, kunana. Karot, dire-diretsyon. May sangan uli magkamalam abo dita Hong Kong. And sa pilo kumabot, agsarding na kita, rally ditan.
Gani Enkog.
Enkog, ayan. Kaya damot na, nabot, palay lang da kita kakabsat tayo dita. Especially da kita FDD Hong Kong chapter.
Stuck on you. I've got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needed a friend. In the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad to stay. I'm stuck on you, been a fool too long. I guess it's time for me to come on home. Guess I'm on my way. So hard to see that a woman like you could wait around for a man like me. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stay. Oh, I'm leaving on that midnight train tomorrow, and I know just where I'm going. I pack up my troubles and I throw them all away. Guess this time, little darling, I'm coming home to stay. I'm stuck on you. I've got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad to stay.
Apo, agsusubli kami. Apo, manulangan na nga. Kaniton, ayan ko ni Auntie Julieta Oya Alagado watching from Hong Kong. Hello, June. And Apo, ama ko na ni Auntie. And our condolences, Auntie. Kasi pala kung maabot nakapag-move on ka, hindi ipapanaw nila kay mo. Ayan. Nagubing, pay. Aha. Kaya kinikabsat Nelly. Valiente Heron, ni ikat ko na nibagat ko talaga mga na-stuck kami dito yung roommate ko na naagit talaga nga kasta so nga ikararag tayo lang tapong agsarting kumanda kita agral rally and of course di pa nagwaras iti NCOV when no adati sa baling awag da katatana adati 19 na tumanang Evangeline Forte Ramela of Baguio City, thank you so much for watching. And kini Jonah who's on Nolas. Okay, she's also from Kuwait. Watching from Kuwait kana kuma. And nag-request ito pa ni John Harold Domingo. Magandang hapon po. Aji man dive Sir JM ko na. So urahin tayo man na tanapan mo nag-dive on di jayo na sinumanti kaya sinumanti di na dive nan. And we're on the last quarter of our program. So mangkita, okay, mabalim mo nga tiraan na, did you dive, I should say, dive. Okay, as requested by Harold of Ranyag High School. Sabi lang kumata, mga bakay manan, iti gawad ka na, kalasag, kung kuna na, alapit, nagito duma, watch, kung kuna na, dito nga, pandapakisal-sal yan. Ket good afternoon kay ti principal yung ni Ma'am Dumon. Ayan, still watching kung nanikabsat nga charity from Porterville, California.
Yeah.
Okay.
Watching from Hong Kong. Hello, John and Apok Amak from Lola Juliet. Maybe I came on too strong. Maybe I waited too long. Maybe I played my cards wrong, oh, just a little bit wrong. Baby, I apologize for it. I could fall or I could fly here in your aeroplane. And I could live, I could die hanging on the words you say. And I've been known to give my all and jumping in harder than 10,000 rocks on the lake. So don't call me baby unless you mean it. And don't tell me you need me if you don't believe it. So let me know the truth before I dive right into you. Your mystery. I have traveled the world, there's no other girl like you. No one, what's your history? What's your history? Do you have a tendency to lead some people on? 'Cause I heard you do. I could fall or I could fly here in your aeroplane. And I could live, I could die hanging on the words you say. And I've been known to give my all and lie awake every day. Don't know how much I can take. So don't call me baby unless you mean it. And don't tell me you need me if you don't believe it. So let me know the truth before I dive right into you. Yeah, puro ka. I could fall or I could fly here in your aeroplane. And I could live, I could die hanging on the words you say. And I've been known to give my all, sitting back, looking at every mess that I make. So don't call me baby unless you mean it. And don't tell me you need me if you don't believe it. So let me know the truth before I dive right into you. Before I dive right into you. Before I dive right into you.
If I could reach you, you know I would. If I knew the way, the right things to say. If I could touch you, I wish I could. If I only knew where, you know I'd be there. Miles away, you're so many miles away, living my lonely life to leave another day without you. Miles away, you're so many miles away from me, and I can't find you all those miles away.
Live ako rin 98.5 dato'y Adda kami Manen English versions.
If I could hold time in the palm of my hand, I'd not let it through, I'd save it for you. If I had one wish at my command, I'd want it to be you wishing for me. Miles away, you're so many miles away, living a lonely life to leave in another day without you. Miles away, you're so many miles away from me, and I can't find you all those miles away. Miles away, miles away from
Okay, for our last piece. Once again, thank you so much for being with us. And this has been your Manong June Serial together with
John Mark Pastor, ito rin para sa Madora.
Apo nga rod, kada makajuwa na sakitin na kami nga po makadang masabol. Taada man yung sumarong nga papanamin na po. Iso nga, so, until next week, apo, at adun tumanan apo iti surprise namin kada kayo. And with that, we'd like to say thank you and bye-bye. And Kapsat Perry to talk. Thank you for the wonderful show. You guys did last have more power to both of you. Thank you. Our last piece.
I've come back this morning to where I first came alive here within this terminal where the buses arrive. I was a commuter on the 804, worked for a computer on the 19th floor. When you came down the aisle of the bus and you sat by my side, shoulder up to shoulder, we shared that 9 o'clock ride. Oh, my heart was screaming as you left your seat, following your movement, I was at your feet. And oh, down into the terminal, both of us smiled. So we entered the terminal just as you smiled. Won't you leave out work for today? You'd ask of me then. So I phoned him sick on the way to the home of a friend. We were all alone from 10 a.m. till 3. Really thought the fire had come out of me, but you awoke the sleep of my life from gray into red, made the wee wonder of Wall Street rise from the dead. Could have held a burden my entire life, but I had to get home to the kids and the wife, and so I left for the terminal where I began. Baby, no, I wouldn't have left if I'd been half a man. So here I am this morning where love had asked for the dance, here within this terminal where I pass on the chance. Lord, I'll never find her though I've truly tried. Probably she found another bus to ride, and I am now about to begin the last of my days. I'm within what others would call a terminal phase. I myself can only say it's leaving dead, riding to the office with a song in my head that goes la la la.